Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace spark plugs in a Hyundai Accent. First, gather your tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, and gap gauge. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns and damage. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before you begin. This simple step protects you and your vehicle's electrical system from accidental shorts. Next, let's find those ignition coils. They are usually located right on top of your engine, often in a row. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from each coil by pressing the tab and pulling. Then, use a wrench to remove the small mounting bolts that hold each coil in place. Keep these bolts organized so they are easy to find later.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: for all your car manuals and repair guides, or just for a great read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the garage. You can find a link to it and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the coils removed, you'll see the spark plugs nestled deep in their wells. Now, it's time to extract the old ones. Use your spark plug socket and ratchet to carefully loosen each plug. Turn counterclockwise until it's free, then lift it out. Take a moment to inspect the old plugs for any signs of wear, oil, or carbon buildup, as this can indicate other engine issues. Before installing the new plugs, ensure they are correctly gapped according to your Hyundai Accent specifications. Hand thread each new spark plug into its port to avoid cross-threading, which can cause serious damage. Once snug, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's recommended torque setting. This ensures a proper seal and prevents over-tightening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.